let's go ahead and get into it here, shall we? Some of them have tape. Okay, the tape has been cut. That's good. So let's check out this first guy right here. All right, nice natural G10 or Jade G10 already. Let's check this one out. Is there a name for this guy? Let me see. What is the name? This one is the Sitivien ST132 folding knife for outdoors. It is a folder. Let's check it out. Take a look here. Got some yellow and red going on there on the scales. And this guy is a flipper. So talk about some cool knives right here. Okay. So back spacer going on, exposed liners. All right, let's flip this thing. Bam, there it is. So a nice drop point going on here with a flat grind. You get a feel for the handle. All right, that is one comfortable handle right there. And I want to say the pocket clip is done right? Because it has a little bit of a drop and then a swoop, but then like back to flat again. So already feels very, very comfortable in the hand, guys. Sitivien, this is how you do a pocket clip. I'm not picking on Sitivien, but again, this is a very good one already. Good first impression. I can tell, right? Got a nice little cutout here for index and middle finger. It's still got plenty of handle left to go. I have medium to large hands, so not the smallest, not the biggest. Got some jimping here on the back of the blade. And yeah, you can tell this one's gonna be a slicer. D2 steel going on. Got the Sitivien logo, ST going on right there, and a satin finish overall here. So let's go ahead and put this guy to the side here, right? Let's see, let's put him right over here. Might want to move the boxes out of frame. All right, here's the next one here in the lineup. The next one with the Sitivien logo. All right, here we are. Okay, so I see. So it's a similar, right? It looks like a sibling of this first one. Got the same aesthetics going on. You guys take a look. This was more like a natural blue going on with the red and yellow accents, just like the first one. Exposed liners, back spacer, comfortable deep pocket carry clip. We got the same blade going on this guy. D2 drop point, satin finish, flat grind. This guy is a liner lock, right? So I didn't mention that one on the first one. It's very nice in center, right? You guys check that out. Very nice in center right there. And I see a fuller here, right? Fuller on both sides. You can use that to deploy. How about that? Okay, so that fuller works. Okay, let me see. Come on now. You worked the first time. Come on now, my friend. There we go. All right, come on. You did it so well the first time. There it is. All right, there it is. So we know we can thumb deploy. You'll probably do it very slowly as well. All right, this guy is on ball bearings. All right, ball bearings going on here. Could you reverse flick off of the fuller? Yeah, it might be a little challenging. So you have the flipper deployment and the thumb deployment for the most part, which is pretty neat. Again, a very, very comfortable handle on this guy. And yeah, so there's that one. Same model and different scales going on with different color, same accents, which is nice. Reversible pocket clip for my lefties out there. Your guys are going to be taken care of with this one, which is nice. And it's also nice and milled in, which is good. And tip up carry, right? Tip up carry, righty and lefty, which is nice. And man, oh man, am I impressed with these knives. I'm surprised, you know, more YouTubers don't talk about these, because these are pretty solid. Again, I don't know the exact pricing for them, but you bet I'm going to look them up in Amazon. I'm going to put affiliate links in the description for you all to check these guys out, because I mean, right off the bat, I am very, very impressed. This last one, I don't know, this one has a lot going for it right there. Very impressed with the blade shape and design on this one. You guys let me know, which one was your favorite out of all of these? Which one did you like the most? Which one were you the most impressed with out of all these? Well, there you have it, guys. Again, huge shout out and thanks to Glory Bound EDC Andy. There is his Instagram right there. Again, check him out. And you guys know the drill by now. I'm going to go ahead and EDC these one at a time for some time here. I'm gonna reach out to Andy. Hopefully he lets me borrow them for a little bit of time, so I have enough time to EDC them, you know, gather some feedback to share with you all. Right, this was just an unboxing and first impression. I will be doing you a disservice if we call this a review, because I just got these knives for the first time. It is the first time that I'm seeing them, so clearly I have to put them in my pocket, carry them, do some EDC tasks, and come back to you guys and share all the feedback about these knives with you all. So I'm excited for that, especially this last one. I don't know why. This one, okay, me personally, guys, I'm just gonna call it, this one was my favorite. I don't know why. This one was my favorite. second favorite. These two are the same, so I will call this fourth favorite. And last but not least, this guy right here. So that's it. You guys let me know in the comments which one do you like the most, right? If you haven't subscribed already, this will be a great time to smash that subscribe button, and hey, go ahead and like the video if you don't mind. It does help the video get pushed to a larger audience and the channel grow as well, so more people can find out content, awesome EDC and knife content like this. If you want to support the channel a step further, there is a Patreon link down below, so you can support the channel for as little as $1 a month. If you made it this far, you guys are the real MVP. Thank you all so much for all your support. Andy, you're the bomb.com, my friend. Brother, I appreciate your support and sending these knives for me to check out. I really can't thank you enough. You all have a great day. Take care, and I'll see you all on the next one. Peace.